its parents, and I'm getting like $100 per lead, which is super, super high. It's gonna
Way
have,
too high.
yeah, it's gonna have some of your thoughts on that.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Interest, demographics.
Yeah, let's go ahead and look at the ads real quick.
Okay.
Almost always when in terms of lead conversions, I almost always look to the form. It's almost always where you're able to get your costs down, but let's see the ads.
Yep. So this is a typical ad. Let me just, it's loading. And then let's look at the
So
form.
you could remove the first line. First line is the second line. You know, they go hand in hand. If you say one, it'll give it away. You know, you don't need to. So if you have children between the age of 1 to 26, that's the hook, and it gives you more space to get out what the actual, you know, what it is that you're offering, and that'll do so well. And then see if you qualify for the insurance program below. Is this a lead conversion campaign? Does it go to a website? If so, you need the website link right under that pointing down thumb.
Okay, yeah, it goes to like a form.
Oh yeah, you definitely need the link underneath that little thumb.
Yeah, goes, okay, cool. So a link here. Okay.
Boom. And you'll see right away a surge in click-through rates. And then go to the form, because I guarantee you that's where the next thing is going to be.
Is this the form?
Yeah. Yeah, that's way too small. Well, what does it look like on mobile? Because that's probably the biggest thing. Okay, the top text needs to be smaller. To see if you qualify, that portion needs to be underneath the form, and then that 30 seconds is fine to be up there.
Underneath as in here?
Yep.
Okay.
That's right.
Now I have like 10 questions.
You have 10 more.
I have like 10 questions total, like for the forms. So the first one is, are you a resident?
Okay. Yeah.
You know, like,
yeah.
Do you have an
active? Were you here for this call earlier, Diggy?
Yes, yeah. I think there's another guy doing auto insurance, right?
Yeah. We were just talking about the forms.
Yes.
Yeah, so that portion, same thing applies here. It's just same way to get conversions.
Gotcha.
Really
so the bar here, right?
Yeah, that's one way. Absolutely.
Okay, awesome. So basically the form, the title, this text right here, as well as, the ad.
Yeah.
What do you think of kind of like the interest or like demographic? Because this is kind of like a location base. So we're looking at.
So your audience is actually targeting in this case is actually, I'd say, weighs maybe 5% of your results. I mean, like 5% literally will make up just from targeting.
Okay.
Like that's your marginal room for improvement. Your heavy hitter is going to be like 40% is going to be with the ad text, and the other like 55% is going to be the form.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll try that out for sure.
That copy, removing that top line, that's going to skyrocket your conversion rate just because it's so much more clear this way. And then the image could be different. There's no focal point, which is a little.
Yeah, I have some like like memes,
Yeah, memes are always fine. I see memes work well.
Yeah. Awesome. Well,
yeah, the memes are good. Then that's when the form.
Awesome. Okay. Hey, just one more question. And this is about the number of ads in an ad account. Gonna have your thoughts on that as well, because so every ad set I have 30 ads. And sometimes Facebook just tells me, hey, having too many ads in an ad set will affect its performance. In reality, does it? Okay, so
It
I
does,
do have to opt.
in terms of affect performance, if you don't optimize it, it's going to affect performance.
Right, because what if I'm like happy with the cost here? You know, do I still need to optimize?
Uh, well, you could get better costs if you did. So if
Okay,
you're happy, you're
gotcha.
happy, but you might be able to get like, shave off $2 and, maybe
Yeah.
have a little
So
bit more happiness.
nice. So let's say for an ad set, because like it's only getting like 1 to 2 conversions per day. I guess how do I optimize? Like, should I just cut off ads that don't have any conversions?
Absolutely. So scroll all the way to the
Okay.
top.
To
Well, I mean, you don't really have too many. So, I mean, you could still give it some more time.
yeah,
Ignore the Facebook recommendation for about 48 to maybe even 5 days max. Give it another 5 days, I'd say. That's
yeah,
going to be enough to get enough leads. And then how you just ranked it, whatever has results, keep on. Whatever doesn't, just cut off, and then you're smooth selling from there.
gotcha. Is there like an ideal number of ads per ad set that you recommend?
No. Uh,
Okay.
in reality, you want to optimize to get down to a lower number.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but there's no specific one that's best. It usually gets pretty unique to each account. Like we were just talking with
Gotcha.
somebody who's like 8 is like his average pretty much. Anytime he's around 8 ads, he's typically having a really good cost per result. Anything lower, anything above it, too high, doesn't always do so well.
Gotcha. Awesome. Awesome. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you.
Awesome. No problem.
All
Thanks,
right.
Nikki.
Bye.